Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to another video. Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. Let me show you. We're working on the Porsche Macan. Let's get to it. These were supplied by Kies Motorsports. They carry carbon fiber trim for the doors for the Macan, for the Porsche Macan. And I'm pretty excited because these are actually carbon fiber, it's not just plastic. But this is going to be a direct fit on 3M tape. So we're going to prep the car up a little bit, clean the doors, and then install the carbon fiber. Let's get to it. Okay guys, and now we're here on the front. Same thing, just spray it down. Cleaning solution. I would recommend getting something that doesn't have any fragrance. That way nothing else can stick on it and it's a very clean stay. This one does need to be clean because this is where I lay my hand and it gets the most traffic because this is where you drive. Look at that. Oh, looks so clean, guys. So cool. You want to line the two tops. Let's do right there. Just go here. There you go. Once you align it, just press firmly. And there you go. Look at that. That is awesome. I'm gonna hold it down for a good 30 seconds on each side. All right guys, so that's it for the video. It's a very easy install. Same thing as like installing a spoiler or anything else. It's just 3M tape all around. It's legit carbon fiber. And I mean, look at this. It looks more aggressive, more sporty, way better than that wood trim, right? And it changes the whole aesthetics of the interior of the Macan. So if you have a Macan, reach out to Kies Motorsports. See if they have these products and order them, because it does make a massive difference of the interior of your Macan. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you like this video, drop a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video.